Hey guys, just doing a quick review for you on this telescoping ladder. I just got it out to hang a hammock on this tree for my wife, so I figured I'd show you how it works real quick. You can see it very easily reached all the way up into my tree. I mean, it felt really sturdy to climb it. It's super convenient whether I'm using it in this tree or like over here against my house to get on the roof and clean gutters or whatever. And it just folds down super simple. So just show you, it has, you can see these buttons right here, just super quick release buttons to drop it down. You know, just make sure you keep your fingers out of the way. And then it has a strap. Turn so you can see. So it just has this buckle strap that goes all the way around here, so you can tighten it up when you're ready to put away. And that's it. I mean, I super love this thing. It's super compact and very easy and convenient.